Don't download Marketo Enterprise Growth Hub app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Marketo Enterprise Growth Hub app, wait, because most teams misunderstand what Marketo is actually built to do. And when that happens, they end up frustrated, overwhelmed, and buried under automation they don't need. The surprising truth is that Marketo is one of the most advanced marketing automation platforms on the market. It's designed for serious lead management, multi-step nurturing, behavioral scoring, and enterprise-level segmentation. And here's the catch: if your team isn't ready for that structure, Marketo can slow you down instead of speeding you up. Marketo shines when you need powerful automation flows. You can score leads based on behaviors, trigger sequences based on actions, customize nurturing paths, and personalize messaging at scale. For companies handling thousands of leads a month, Marketo is a massive advantage. But most people get this wrong. They install Marketo expecting a simple email tool. It's not. You won't believe what happens next when they try to use it like MailChimp. Nothing matches, campaigns break, scoring doesn't work, and analytics fall apart. Marketo Enterprise also includes advanced reporting, integrations, and account-based marketing. For B teams, these features can transform the entire sales pipeline by showing which leads are ready to convert. However, setup is everything. Without a clear lead scoring model, clean data, and consistent segmentation, Marketo's power doesn't kick in. The tool depends on strategy, not just action. So before downloading the Marketo Enterprise Growth Hub, ask yourself, do I need deep automation, long-term nurturing, and connected workflows? If yes, Marketo is one of the strongest tools available. If not, you may want something simpler. If you want more smart breakdowns that help your team pick the right tools without wasting time or money, hit like and subscribe.